friends. Today I am here to discuss about the importance of English language. I mean to say how much important English language in our life. I know many people around us. They are actually very strong in English language. Their communication skills are very strong, as well as many people around us are not good in English language. They are actually very weak in English language, even though they are not interested to learn English language. So in that cases, I would like to share about the importance of English language in our life. Why we should add English language in our life. Number one is, if you have an intense desire to work in any multinational company, so in that cases English language is very important, because they all time focus on our communication skills and our fluency, how much fluency we have during English speaking. And they not only focus on our English language communication skills, but also they focus on our confidence, body language and positiveness. And so those all things will be improved by English language. Only English language has that ability to build our confidence, to build our positiveness, so everything. So English is important. Okay, because if we are not be able to speak in English fluently, they will reject us, they will not hire us. So I can recommend you boys as well as girls also, because nowadays women are also working in corporate sector, they are also working in multinational companies. So I recommend you all, please try to learn English language. It is very helpful for our career. And number two is, if you want to become an eminent writer, so I can recommend you, please learn English language. Yes, definitely you can write anything in Bengali language, in Sanskrit language and Hindi language, whatever mother tongue you have, definitely you can. So there is nothing wrong. But if you want to become an eminent writer, then English language is important. But in that case, as it is about writing, you have to learn grammar also, because during speaking grammar is not important. I am not saying we don't need grammar. We need grammar, but only we have to improve. We have to pay attention on our tense during speaking, like where we have to put present tense, where we have to put past tense, where we have to put future tense during speaking. That's all about important during speaking. Okay, because if we have no idea about this, we will not be able to make others understand what exactly we want to say. Okay, so those are important during speaking, but not all grammatical rules are important during speaking. But if it's about writing, grammar is very important. So in that cases, I can recommend you try to buy a good grammar book based on Oxford University. It will be helpful to learn English properly, to learn grammar properly. Okay, so that's all about it. And number three is, if you get chance to visit abroad, and you all know, without speaking English, it is not possible to interact with them, and you will feel low confidence without speaking English, without knowing English properly. Okay, so English is, and also if you have a desire to work in abroad, if you have a desire to many things in abroad, so English is important. So now you all have understood English is how much important in our life, and I personally feel it, English is really very important in our life. So that's why I can recommend you, please try to learn English language. It is not so much difficult thing. If you do it properly, if you practice every day, so day by day, automatically you all will be able to speak in English fluently. Definitely you all can. And so please try to learn English language. It is very important for our career also. And so that's it. Thank you.